Hello friends. It was highly volatile week. VIX rose by almost 12% resulted weekly market swing of more than 500 points. Last week PCR, VIX and PE suggested market is overbought. Market reacted to it in the same manner and closed at 18,115 with more than 200 points loss. Index corrected by just 1%. But stocks specific, we saw sharp fall in many stocks for more than 10%. What next? Can we see more downside or 18,000 can be hold? We are heading for monthly expiry with PCR below 0.7 and VIX at 18. Suggests volatile week ahead. But this time PCR suggests market is oversold, can trade in upward direction. Still market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. Now coming back to this week BT Market Top Weekend Review, in which we are going to take a look at a comparative analysis of then Nifty level with Nifty now, along with then index PE and volatility as well. We will also be looking at FII and DII buying selling figures, option chain data and important levels to watch for Nifty. So without wasting more time, let's start. Welcome to Budgetary TV's BT Market Talk Weekend Review. For the week ended on 22nd October 2021, last week market touched a new high of 18,604 and closed at 18,115 levels with weekly loss of more than 1%, that is 223 points. In October, so far, market registered gain of around 500 points, that is around 3% gain, and in current financial year, Nifty is up by more than 3,400 points, that is around 24% gain. Looking at Nifty journey, 1 year back on Nifty was at 11,896, which is up by more than 6,200 points, that is little more than 52%. 3 years back it was at 10,245, is up by more than 76% gain, and 5 year back Nifty was at 8,693, now at 18,115, is up by 9,400 points, that is more than 108% gain. Before going to FII and DII data, if you find the information given in our videos useful, then give it a like, share with your friends and give your suggestions in comments section below. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. This will encourage us to give enriched content. Now let's look at what FII and DII did last week. Last Friday, FII sold for around 2,700 CR and DII bought for little more than 1,000 crore. In last week, FII stands as a net seller of around 7,300 crore and DII sold for around 4,500 crore. In October, so far, FII and DII both stands as net seller of around 14,800 crore. This is highest ever monthly selling in current financial year. Current financial year, FII still stands as net seller of little less than 53,000 crore and DII is still supporting the market by giving a strong buying hand of more than 46,000 crore. Now moving to option chain data, looking at top 5 open interest positions of calls and puts suggest market may trade between 17,500 to 18,500 levels in near term. 17,500 to 17,700 levels can emerge as strong buying zone. So to conclude, on downside Nifty may take support near 17,900 to 17,950 levels in near week, whereas on upside it may witness resistance around 18,450 to 18,500 levels. So, thank you for watching Budgetary TV. Happy New Week and festival season ahead. Thanks again, and let's meet in the next week with new analysis.